Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now today's tip of the week is really about the time on the actual government exam. Now remember, the real estate exam is either the sales exam or the broker's exam. About, I'd say, January of 2020, remember that the government actually reduced the amount of time that you're able to take to actually complete the exam. The sales license exam, you're given 3 hours to do it, and it's 150 questions. Passing score is a 70% or better. The broker's test is given over a 4-hour block. It's 200 questions, and you need a 75% or better in order to pass. The old time frames aren't important, but remember, the state is giving you less time to do the test. The sales test is 3 hours, the broker's test is 4 hours. The sales test is 150 questions, the broker's test is 200 questions. Passing score on the sales exam is a 70%, passing score on the broker's test is 75. So today's tip of the week is really about remembering to pace yourself on the exam. Remember to study hard because you do have less time per question on both the sales and broker examinations.